everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1989 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Of course, you know a lot of these OPS trucks come around Skyway Classics more than you can see, but of course, being the best variety 88 to 98, these trucks sure do get what they're worth for. Being the one we have here featuring the 89, being the second year of the nice generation, featuring a very nice red and black exterior. As you do see, it does have an upgraded 2-inch cowl induction hood for better style. Along the sides, you do see it does have the upgraded wheels on it to give more of the retro look. Being that it's an 89, but having the upgraded style mirrors is a very nice touch, since a lot of times with the 89s, even the 88s, the mirrors were very big, very annoying, and more importantly, you couldn't adjust. But as we move on to the inside of this fine little truck, you can see it does have a matching maroon interior single cab bench seat. You can see you got the touchdown column right there. It does have the slide window. Along the dash, you can see is in good condition, no cracks, no tears, no nada. The cluster is in good shape, having the very nice little attachment on top of the cluster, which I've rarely ever seen before. But some safety features that are included with this fine truck include the 3 gauges along the post here, and you can see we're running about 190, almost 200, which is not bad, especially for these trucks, because that's what they're meant to run at. Got the grand steering wheel with the tilt column automatic. Also have a nice Sun Pro gauge over there on the lower side of the dash. Does have window cranks instead of the old-fashioned power locks and power windows, but in personal opinion, they are better than the power windows because you never have to mess with a motor in case they ever decide to go out. But featuring the engine, as you can see, having a small block motor beefed up, as you can hear from the driving video, having dual pipe exhaust coming from the back, headers, and more importantly, a nice clean look with the chrome valve covers and air cleaner. It sure is a get up and go truck. Even now as I'm driving it, handling pretty well, shifting very well. In fact, we do have the AC running too, so that's very nice as well. Even having the Aftermarket Pioneer radio to have some nice tunes going along, but of course all you need is the nice sound of the truck to keep you going. And of course for the bed, which I did not mention earlier, has a nice little bed liner on it, so you never have to worry about anything getting wet, stolen, or any other annoyances that could happen when driving these trucks. But personally, these are the best trucks you can get, especially for their motors, their looks, and their desires. Since the past few years, these trucks have gone up in value, and now is the perfect time to get one. Show it off to your friends, show it off for yourself, or just have a truck in general. Everybody knows everybody needs a truck when it's necessary, but as for now, we are going to just get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.